today to give you an update on Mana Decentraland. We're going to be going through this from a technical analysis perspective. We're going to be looking at key buying areas, key levels of support and resistance, and what sort of prices you guys need to be looking out for there over the next sort of couple of months or so. And also, to end the video, we're going to be doing a price prediction for how high Decentraland could be going and how much money you could be making if you're holding this over the next 6 to 12 months or so. Absolutely crazy stuff. So yeah, just get straight deep down and dirty into the charts here, and let's get this bad boy done. Okay, so looking at Mana from a market structure perspective right now, we're looking at these higher low points. Okay, these are all these yellow lines drawn in. These are essentially the areas of confluence we need to be looking out for there to see whether we're in a nice uptrend or in a dirty, disgusting downtrend. Okay, so the most recent higher low that we have set and we have confirmed after this high was set here, guys, you can see this was the higher low because we broke this high here. Now you can see what happened after that. We saw a significant pullback, and that basically set this area as a higher low. It wasn't confirmed until we broke this high, and we broke this high pretty sharpish after that, around 4 days after that, confirming this as the higher low. So what that means in terms of the most recent, in terms of the macro trend for this asset right now, you could fluctuate down around 18% here and still be in this lovely uptrend. So just be prepared for that if that is going to happen. One thing and one reason why I do want to do this video today, guys, is because there is a really nice potential breakout scenario here for Decentraland. And as you can see, this is going to be the trend line that we're referring to. The trend line that we're referring to is coming through from highs, the wick of the high, currently priced at around 82 cents there. And you can see we've tested this for resistance multiple times here. We have had, it was near enough a long-legged doji star there. Didn't quite get that candlestick chart pattern, but just quickly, guys, I want to talk to you about a free cryptocurrency webinar that I'm hosting every single day. In this webinar, it basically shows you a simple 5-step strategy on how you can build a 5-figure a month income in as little as 42 days. Everyone that attends this webinar will get access to a new strategy worth $250 and also $300 worth of mindset training as well. If that interests you, link is in the description. Also, link is in the top side of the screen, just up there as well. If you want to get involved with that, just click there. But for now, back to the video. We are seeing a breakout scenario right now. So on the macro, I do want to see this daily candle body close above this trend line in the next 15 hours or so. If that is going to happen, then there is a lovely potential breakout scenario that is on the cards. Okay, how high could this go using this breakout scenario as sort of a price prediction for this for not the micro, but still the macro here, guys. But yeah, just over the next sort of week or two here. Probably looking at around a 10 to 11% move to the upside here. Pretty bullish, okay, pretty nice stuff. In terms of what's the word? The confluence that we're looking for here is that candle body close here above this area, like I just said, and also in 15 hours or so. So yeah, that's sort of the move that I would be looking out for here for Mana, for Decentraland. Definitely something to really take into consideration. Using automatic Fibonacci retracement levels here, guys, one point to be taken into consideration here is that we have just closed quite aggressively here on the 0.382 Fibonacci retracement, guys, and that is this area at around 60 cents here. You can see the momentum from this zone is actually really quite strong. Okay, it's really quite strong in previous price action. So what we could actually be looking out for here is, you can see 15% move to the upside. Sometimes, usually, it's around half of that. That's sort of the conservative estimate that we can be looking for here. So there is around a 7.5% move from this trend line, essentially from this Fibonacci retracement zone. So whether that is going to fall into our position, it probably will here. So what we need to actually essentially be doing here, guys, just want to get rid of the measure move for a second. It's kind of polluting the chart a bit. What we want to do here is, wherever we get this candle body close, we need to be having a nice solid take profit at around 65 cents there, as we are going to be heading up to that zone, which we have seen from previous momentum. Okay, so overall, Decentraland looking pretty strong here. Pretty happy with that from a market structure perspective and a TA perspective. Bullish pennant chart pattern as well to the upside. Now let's get into a sort of a price prediction and potential buying zones for this asset for you long-term hodlers. Okay, now let's take a step back for a second, guys, because yes, we have the Bitcoin halving coming. We don't know how aggressive this is going to be for altcoins, and currently with Bitcoin dominance trickling up here, we can expect Bitcoin to have a lot of dominance over altcoins like Decentraland, okay? So that basically means if Bitcoin's going to swing to the downside, be prepared for corrections here for Decentraland. And this is where we need to take into consideration here, because this higher low point at 52 cents here is going to be a really, really clean bounce point. So that would be my my buy point between the 0.5 Fibonacci retracement and the most recent higher low for Decentraland, okay? That's going to be the point to essentially be buying Decentraland. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, guys. Go do your own research. Now let's look at previous all-time highs for this asset to see how high we could actually get in the next potential bull market. Well, we're in a bull market the next alt season. $4.60 there. So let's draw that in from the potential buy zone that we were looking for up to around $4.60 there. Did we just say 460? Yeah, 460 there. And if you like the content, guys, smash a like on it. It does help out the channel tremendously. 460 will take us up to around 757% on your investment, guys. That is an 8.5x here. That is ridiculous. You put in $1,000, you're going to be walking away with $8,500. Very, very bullish here for that. And remember, guys, this is just the all-time high previous prediction there. Mostly, we break all-time highs in new cycles, okay? And we're just coming into a super cycle here for cryptocurrency, so it's very likely that we do break that all-time high. But overall, around an 8x for Mana. But yeah, let me know what you think in the comment section, guys. I'm intrigued to know. And again, if you like the content, smash a like. And if you never want to miss one of my uploads, make sure you hit the notification bell, turn that subscription thing on, and you never will, basically, right? But yeah, that's gonna be it from me, guys. Thank you ever so much for watching. Peace out. I'll see you in the next one.